Now.
Damn, all right, hold the fuck on, man.
Don't tell me. Don't back the fuck up, man. Motherfucker. Who the fuck you think you is? Get your goddamn shit and get out.
That's what I told him today. That's right. That's right.
Yes, I am. My uncle is a bona fide leader of the Hells Angels. Don't fuck with me, or you gonna get popped again, bitch.
Hey everyone, Scott with Air Gunner Reviews. So you would like to think that everybody's using these less lethal pistols and self-defense weapons for self-defense. But unfortunately, there are people in our community who are using these things for the wrong purpose. And I'd like to share a comment that somebody had left on my channel, or comments, and I happened to check out his channel and I was very disturbed at what I had seen. So this is the comment that the Sean Slaughter 97 had left. Hello, this is Lone Wolf Security Officer SS. I carry the T4E TR50 every day. It is #1 in my book. I've been in a real situation that required force. You are judging based on the data that's inaccurate. I used a 50 caliber pepper balls, and when it comes to stopping power, the T4E TR50 11 joules stops every person, no matter big or small. So based on his comments, it sounded like he has used his TR50 for self-defense. So I thought, hey, let's go and check out his YouTube channel and see what kind of content that he has, because if he has used it for self-defense, I want to see how well and effective the TR50 worked for him. So here is the homeless person just sleeping. He's getting up.
Don't tell me. Don't back the fuck up, man. Motherfucker.
Now he just shot him. He was still on his knees, and he shot him in the head. This is terrible. This is a homeless person. This isn't somebody who's attacking him. That is terrible. And then he comes out with all these racist slurs. Could have easily taken his eye out.
I don't give a fuck. You in my motherfucking building. All these people pay motherfucking rent, and you think you gonna sleep up?
Doesn't like, but it hurts.
Get your goddamn shit and get out.
That's what I told him today. That's right. That's right.
Leader of the Hells Angels. Don't fuck with me, or you gonna get popped again, bitch.
So back in the late 60s, our family was homeless. It was my mom and dad and myself and my older brother. And there came a time we lived in the back of our car. We slept in the back of the car, and I remember days where we had no food. Matter of fact, I remember, we joke about it now, but we shared a box of Cracker Jacks. That's all we had to eat. Eventually, we got out of the car. Another kind older couple took us in, and we lived in their upstairs attic where they had a spare bedroom. And times weren't great. Over, a period of time, my parents both got jobs. They got back on their feet, and we finally settled down into a nice home. And I turned out to be a pretty successful business owner, and that's where I stand now. But I never forgot those roots. And I don't know why somebody who calls himself a security guard, which we know that's not true, is really a racist vigilante. So I don't know what goes on in somebody's brain to pick on homeless people, but there's no room in our community for that type of a person. We have to use these pistols and our self-defense weapons for self-defense only, and not for abusing other people and threatening other people and being bullies. And so I hope that I can get this channel taken down, his channel taken down. He only has these 2 videos up, but they're very disturbing videos. So my point is be kind to the homeless people. You don't know what they're going through. Nobody knows what they're going through or what they've gone through. They could be veterans. They could be, your mom and dad or your kids, and whether they're drug addicts or have alcohol problems, you still have to be kind to them. Instead of taking out a TR50 and popping them in the head, offer them a cup of coffee, a snack, some type of food, anything like that. But just be kind. And let's hope we can turn this around for something that's positive. And I am going to leave some comments on his channel. I'm also going to turn them in. I've actually I actually emailed the Newark, New Jersey police, hopefully, because I have a good feeling about where he is and what residence he's in. So I'm hoping that they will catch up with them. I hope that he's going to get what he needs to get, and that's some jail time. So anyway, that's my story for today, and thank you, and I appreciate you watching as I always. You take care and stay safe.